Hi guys, and welcome back. Hopefully if you've seen the first one you'll know how to install Selenium on Python in PyCharm, which is a really good way of doing it. But before we get started with some code, what we need to do is install Chromedriver, because Selenium is the Python package itself, but we need another program to actually drive the browser itself. So we need to install Chromedriver. I'm not sure it used to always be that way. I think it was always quite packaged up, but this is the way we need to do it now. And there's one for each browser. There's one for Firefox, there's one for Internet Explorer, and there's one for Opera. But Chrome is best for testing on. It's not great for privacy and all those sorts of things, but that's another story. We'll come back to that later in other videos and on my blog that I'm setting up soon. So without further ado, what we need to do, there are two ways of doing this. One is to download it directly from Google's site. So you go here, this is the latest one, and if you click this, download it for your particular distro. Now I use Linux a lot of the time, but for this demonstration I'm using Windows because more people have Windows. So you click on that, you download it, you'd extract it, and the best thing to do is put it in somewhere like Documents. So once it's downloaded, take it out of Downloads and put it in somewhere like Documents or something. Just get a yeah, here we go, I've done it here already. So you'll get a little thing called Chromedriver.exe, and then what you need to do then is get this path. So it'll be where do you get this path from? It'll be C Documents. I'll come back to that in a minute, but you get that path and you put it in your environment variable. So the way you get to your environment variable, open up the window, open up the menu, type in env. You can download this as well, that's a better way of doing it, but quickest way. Edit system, and it's the system you want, edit system environment variables. Edit environment variables, and again here system, and it's the path, you want to put it in the path. So you want to highlight path. This is what we're talking about here. C users me documents. That's the path you need. So you edit, and you want, if you put it in documents, it's C users your user, and then documents, and then don't put Chromedriver.exe at the end. Just put a backslash. So you want it like just here. That bit there, up to this bit here. This bit down here, this is the second way of doing it, which I'll come to in a minute. This is a hell of a lot easier, it does it all for you. But this is automatically what's this is done here. So if you go into here, you'll see it'll be Chromedriver.exe, it'll be in this folder here. So what you do is you just hit new, type in C users your user documents, or wherever you've saved it, end it with a backslash, hit OK, and then OK, and then you are good to go. And then that should pick it up. If it doesn't pick it up, Python will give you an error, and we'll come back to those errors later on if we do get them. The other way is using a thing called chocolatey. Now I got this from watching another chap's videos. I didn't know about this, but it's very good. It's a really easy way to install packages for anything to do with Windows. It's really easy to do. Go here to this website address. This is how you install it. Really detailed instructions. It's pretty cool. You run this little thing here, copy it to a clipboard. You need to open PowerShell in administrator. So like PowerShell, say Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. It'll tell you all here. and then you just do choco install Chromedriver, and that's all you need to do, and it'll install everything for you. It'll put it all in the path, and it'll do everything for you. So once that's installed, then we can start writing some code, and we'll come back to this in a minute.